Okay, let's start by adding a section to this body, giving it a class. I will give it a color of black, make it 100 viewport, height, flex, and center. Inside of the section we have to add a container. And width 100%. Inside of this container, let's add a heading tag. Adding another div block inside the container. Give it a margin. Let's make it 3 rem. Now in this block we add a grid. Let's call it the team grid. 3 columns and 1 row. Inside this team grid, let's add a div block. This will be the team card. Inside of this, add another div block. This will be the content, so team content. I'll give this team card some color. Let's make it white. Okay, so the team card has to be flex and center. And let's give it a height of 25 rem and make it relative. Now let's give this team card some padding, 1 rem to all sides, and make the overflow hidden. Now take the team content part. This is inside of the team card, and let's make it 100%. 100% height. See, it covers the team card except for the sides, which is the padding. Let's give this a color so we can see it better. This is where content will go. I want it to be flex and content with space between. Let's add the content. So inside of this team content, we add a text block. Add the position. And another text block for the name. In between, I need an image, so I'll add another div block in the center between the 2 text blocks. Call it the image wrapper. Inside of this image wrapper, we add the image. Let's give it an image. Okay. Giving this image an image class, make it 100%, and set the image fit to cover. The image is too big, so let's give some height and width to the image wrapper. Let's make it 8 rem or maybe 10 rem. Now look at the team content. So this is stretched. Let's make it center. Everything is centered. I don't want the position to be centered, so I want it to align to the right. And the other block, you can also give it a name, so let's call it the position. And the other text block, let's call it the name, and align it to the left like this. Inside of the team card, let's add another div block. We'll call this the team details. Now this block goes over the whole card, so we have to give it position of absolute and cover the whole part. And let's give it some padding, 0.5 rem. Inside this theme details, we add another div block, the background color. This is going to be relative and 100%. And let's give it a color. Inside of this theme details, add another div block. This will have all the text, so let's call it the theme text. And this has to be absolute. And cover the whole part. Make it flex, vertical, left and top. And give it some gap, 1 rem. Inside of this theme text, let's add a heading 2 and give it the name. Add another text block. Give it a position. Another text block. And give it some content. Now I want some padding. Let's add the padding 2 rem on all sides. Now another block. This will carry the social icon, so social wrapper. This also has to be absolute. Make it absolute, but not cover the whole thing, only at the bottom. Choose this one, auto on top, and let's add the social link. So link block. Inside of the link block, I'll need an image for the icon. Choose the image. Make this icon, giving it a size of 1.5 rem and 1.5 rem height. Let's look at this social icon. Give it a class, give it overflow none. And it is also to the corner, so let's give this social wrapper also the same margin, 2 rem, just like the theme text. Yeah. Now the social icon should be a little bigger than the icon itself. Icon was 1.5 rem, so social icon, let's make it 3 rem. And make it flex so the icon can be in the center. And I'll make this social icon black. I want it to be round, so give it a radius of 50%. That's one icon. Now let's copy it. The social wrapper was flex, but it has to be. No, it wasn't flex. Let's give it a flex of in the horizontal direction and give it a space, 1 rem. Let's make this a little bold. So I'll give this a class of text weight bold. Make it okay, semi bold. Now this is what we have. We have a theme card. Inside the theme card we have theme content and theme details. Inside the theme details we have background color, theme text, and social wrapper. This background color, I will give it some radius, 1 rem. And the theme card, giving it a radius 1 rem, maybe just 0.5 rem. Okay. Now when I hide this theme details, this is what we see, the theme content. Let's remove this color from here. And now let's unhide the theme details. Now let's add the interaction. Go to the interaction panel, select the theme card, and choose the mouse hover interaction. On hover in, start an animation. Let's create. So add this plus icon, mouse hover in. Select the theme details now, add move, and we move it 100% down in the Y direction. Set this to initial state. Then choose a theme text. Also move it down. Move this down 150%. Set this initial state. Choose a social wrapper. Move it down. Move it down 175%. Set it as initial state. Then choose a theme details card. Add the opacity and make it 0%. Select the social wrapper and hide it. So make it none and also initial. This is what we have initially. Then choose the theme details. Now we're going to move it up. On hover in, it will come up. So after 0.5 seconds, this theme details will move up. So we do the opposite. So now the Y should be 0%. And it should take the duration of 1 second to come up. And then the opacity, so add the opacity again. After 0.2 seconds, the card will reveal itself, so make it duration of 1 second. And make opacity 100%. Now we choose the theme text, so the theme text will also move up, so move will move up after 0.2 seconds. It will take 0.6 seconds to come up. And move it up, so make the Y also 0%. See, now the text has appeared. Now the icons should come up. Move the icon up. After 0.4 seconds delay, icon will take 0.8 seconds to come up. And move it to 0% on Y-axis. Bring it down here. If we preview this, now social media icons are still hidden, so we need to unhide it. Keep on selecting the social wrapper and add the hide and show. And make it was flex, so make it flex. Now let's preview this. Now let's create the hover out animation. Select here, start the animation. You can duplicate the same one. Click on this one and let's change the name. Name it hover out. Now the same things will happen again. So we'll start by moving the social media wrapper. So we'll hide it first. It will happen in the beginning. So without any delay, we move it and we make it none. So it's invisible. And then the theme details will move 100% down again. And theme details opacity will also become 0. Theme text will move down by 150%. And social media wrapper will move down to 175%. Now let's preview this. In hover out it goes down. In hover in it comes up. Now you can copy the same theme card and let me add the content. Now to add the content to the card at the back, you can just hide the theme details card for a while, make it none. So you can see the pictures and then you can add the pictures here. The cards are ready. Now you can make it. Remove the unhide, remove the hide, and you can see the cards now. And let's look at the animation.